Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your loadout in Rivals. Now, when you first load into the game, your character automatically has a default loadout. That's your weapons, abilities, and any perks you've unlocked so far. But don't worry, changing it isn't complicated at all. All you have to do is look for the loadout or customize button on the main menu before you jump into a match. So once you click it, you'll see all the weapons and abilities you've unlocked so far neatly laid out on the screen. And from here, you can scroll through the different categories like your primary weapon, secondary weapon, abilities, and even character skins if the game has them. Just click on whatever item you want to swap out, choose a new one from your collection, and it automatically updates your loadout. But it's really just a matter of clicking through and selecting the gear that fits your playstyle best. So if you are in a match already and realize you want to switch mid-game, some modes let you change loadouts from the respawn screen. So if you get knocked out or finish a round, look for the loadout button right before you go back in. That way you can make quick adjustments on the fly, like swapping to a heavier weapon if the next round's enemies are tougher. And here's a tip. Don't be afraid to experiment. Some weapons and abilities pair really well together, and trying different combos in the loadout screen is the fastest way to see what works for you. And once you've got something you like, just hit play and you'll enter the next match with that setup ready to go. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!